Hello YouTube. Are you thinking of learning a new programming language? Or are you a beginner in programming and confused with which language you should start with? Then welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to answer all these questions. As you all know, there are lots of programming languages like C, C++, Python, Java, C Sharp, and many more. So how one can choose the right programming language? So let me divide this in two parts. If you are learning programming language for any particular field like web development, web designing, machine learning, data science, then check the demand according to that field, as every language have their strength and weakness. So for that particular field, what you required, pick according to that. Like if you want to learn machine learning, data science, then you should learn Python. If you want to go with web development, then learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and all this. But if you want to get introduced with programming or want to start programming for fun, then just simply pick the easy to learn and most simple language, Python. As Python is one of the most commonly used programming language, as it is an easy language for beginner to learn because of its readability. In Python, it is easy to know the concept behind the codes. So you guys need more reasons? So just start coding and thank you.